And we finally got this awesome opportunity with these high-performance race boats, and it's finally like a proper one design class. You can see it on the water. The positions change just with a little small wind shift. It's not about one boat's better than the other. It's a true like reflection of one design sailing.
So the Cape 31s has been going for about 2 years now. It was actually the brainchild of Irvin Laidlaw, who spends his summer holidays in Cape Town and noticed that there was a lack of really good one design sailing. So he came up with the concept of putting together a 30-foot race boat.
You actually now have a boat that beats around the course at 7 knots. You put the kite up and off you go at 20 knots downwind, and you're just stripping everyone else. So you can have 80 of your mates on the water around you and just be duking it out in the southeaster all weekend long. It's very, very addictive.
It certainly brought new energy into the sailing in South Africa, really. I mean, it's just fantastic.
The boats are high energy, adrenaline fueled racing, and Cape Town, where it's very windy and there's a lot of fun to be had.
All the prestige, all the honor is out there to play for. If you want to race one design keel boats, this is it. This is the pinnacle.
And the racing is so intense, so fast, gets your heart rate going. And to go sailing downwind at 20 knots, the bow wave flying over your head and soaked all the way through your farlies is, I don't know, quite exciting.